is my easiest cooking chicken soup with 2 eggs. I have 2 eggs. I put 2 eggs. Where's the other one? Yes, this one. This one is high in folic acid, calcium, potassium, iron, and magnesium. And this is enough for single meal. For today, easiest cooking, chicken cooking. I put ginger powder. That's why the color is like this. But promise, this is very helpful, especially for those don't want to eat oily food. That's it. Serve hot. It's cooked already. Have a blessed day, everyone. Thank you for watching. God bless.